NVIDIA has just released an installation script to help automate the process of getting GeForce Now up and running on the Steam Deck. This script basically automates a new process for us, and it works by rebooting the Steam Deck into desktop mode. So let's press on the Steam button over here on the left. Select the power option to bring up the power menu. And then from here, we're going to switch to desktop. Now, once we get to desktop mode, we will need to visit a specific website. So I'll launch the Firefox browser since I have previously installed it on my Steam Deck, but you may not have a browser installed yet. If that is the case, you'll want to launch the Discover application right here, and then install your browser of choice. Then we're going to load up this page on the NVIDIA website, and I'll be sure to link to it in the video description below. So we're going to scroll through here. And after we scroll down a little bit, we have the Steam Deck beta option. Let's go get started. We're going to confirm that we want to download this. And you can see here it's going to download a zip file. Open up the folder that we downloaded it from. And then we're going to extract the contents right here. So we have this folder here, and there are a number of files in here in a folder. We're going to double click on the GeForce Now _ setup. We want to confirm that we want to execute this. And now we get another confirmation dialog. We want to, yes, agree that we want this script to go. For some devices, you'll see this script go ahead and complete automatically. For others, you might get this looking for matches, remote flat hub found in multiple installations, and you want to pick either the user or the system. And we're going to select user. And then you're going to see it go through the process. We just want to wait patiently until 6 of 6 is completed. The amount of time that this will take will depend on how fast your internet is. But there's no need to touch anything. We are just going to wait patiently. We're going to let the script restart Steam for us. And now you can see it's telling us to return to gaming mode, navigate to the non-Steam section in the library, and then launch GeForce Now. So we're going to go back to our desktop and then return to gaming mode. So as it says, now we're going to check the non-Steam library tab. And you should see a new entry for GeForce Now. With this complete, just about everything has been set up for you. So let's go ahead and open it up. Tap on OK. Agree and continue. And we will just need to log in, and then we'll be able to stream games with GeForce Now on the Steam Deck. However, as it currently stands, we are unable to use the trackpad to control the mouse here. So while GeForce Now is open, we're going to press the Steam button on the left here. Then within the GeForce Now section, we're going to dive into controller settings. And then again, we're going to go into controller settings at the bottom. So from here, we want to change the template to gamepad with mouse trackpad. Then we'll want to click on the Edit Layout button right there. From here, we're going to choose trackpads on the left. Then we can change the click entry for the right trackpad behavior over to the mouse. And we're going to choose the left mouse click option. Then we're going to tap on B to go back, B to go back, B to go back, and now we are back in to GeForce Now. And now we can click by pressing down on that trackpad. And there we have it. GeForce Now is fully set up and configured to work on the Steam Deck with the trackpad properly.